Real estate investing is one of the most proven ways for an average Joe like yourself or me to create wealth. Now, many investors have different strategies and use different methods, but a lot of them go back to using 3 golden rules of investing. So stick around and check it out. People have been investing in real estate for centuries and been making a killing and a wealth for their family. So now I like to live by 3 different golden rules of investing. The first rule is the 50% rule. Now, 50% of your incomes goes to operating costs and expenses. Now that's taxes, insurance, repairs. And then the other 50% goes to mortgage and whatever you want to profit. So let's break this down. So if you have a $300,000 house and let's say 50% of that is $1,500. So you take that $1,500, that's gonna go to your expenses and things of that sort. So then you have that other $1,500. So say you wanna make $200 in profit. So now you have $1,300. So you need to make sure that your mortgage is less than $1,300. All right, the next golden rule is rule number 2, and that is the 1% rule. So it is your expected monthly rental income, whatever you're charging for rent and you're getting for rent, divided by the value of the home. So now if it's a 1% or greater, that's typically known as a good investment. If it's less than 1%, that's something where you want to definitely dive into it and find out more about the property. Now, so just for an example, if you have a $400,000 house, you want to get $4,000 of rent as a golden rule, as in the 1% or higher. Now, if it's better, obviously that's great. Finding that in this day and market is very, very, very difficult, especially if it's on the MLS. But this is just a guideline for you to move forward and find out if you have a good investment. All right, so the first 2 rules were for a buy and hold type strategy of investing. That means that basically you buy the house and you hold it and you rent it out for a long term. This next one is for more of a quick cash turnover. Quick turnover is a fix and flip type property, and this is the 70% rule. Now the 70% rule is basically you'll fix and flip it. You only want to pay 70% of whatever the property is valued after you repair it. Now, once you have that ARV, whatever the after repair value is, you're going to have to minus whatever repair costs that you have and factor that in. So let's do an example. So you have a $300,000 house after repair value. You've already done all your fixing, all your flipping and everything you've done. Now you're gonna wanna get that at 70% of whatever that is. Okay, so it's 70%. So it is 210,000. Then you have $50,000 in repairs. Remember, you have to minus the repairs. Now you have to get that property at $160,000 for it to make sense with this 70% rule. Now, there are a few major numbers that you're gonna need to find out. You're gonna need to figure out what the house, the after repair value, after you repair this property, what is it going to be worth on that current market? And then you're also gonna have to figure out whatever those repair costs are gonna be and what your construction fees are gonna be. So obviously there's also realtor fees and commissions and all that type of things. But those are the 2 main numbers, ARV and repair costs, that you'll need to find out for the 70% rule. Now that you have the strategy, it is time to implement something and go make some wealth for your family. So hopefully these tips and rules have helped you out and you can go and make some good money with them. So as always, have the best day of your life and adios.